Today, we will discuss via BTC, F2 Pool, and NiceHash. These platforms are engaged in the distribution of mining rewards regardless of their particular functions. They allow miners to make Bitcoin through hashrate marketplace transactions or pool rewards. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. Via BTC, these mining pools are conventional. Rewards are given out according to the amount of hashing power that miners contribute to the pool. They concentrate on giving miners a platform to mine particular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and others jointly. They have set pricing structures and a number of payment options like PPS, PPLNS, and etc. F2 pools are primarily designed for miners who wish to engage in pool mining and who own their hardware. These mining pools are conventional. Rewards are given out according to the amount of hashing power that miners contribute to the pool. They concentrate on giving miners a platform to mine particular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and others jointly. Hashing power can be purchased and sold on the NiceHash marketplace. Buyers can wish to mine particular coins can purchase miners' hashing power. In essence, it serves as a go-between for hashing power buyers and sellers. For those who wish to engage in mining without having to deal with the hassles of pool selection and setup, NiceHash streamlines the procedure. All in all, via BTC or F2 pool may be a better option if you're dedicated miner with your own hardware. NiceHash might be a better choice if you want to sell your excess hashing power or are searching for a more straightforward approach to engage in mining.